What's the meaning of bay tree? Bay tree. Bay tree.
Bay tree. Bay tree. The bay tree, Laurus nobilis, is a type of evergreen shrub or small tree native to the Mediterranean region. It is known for its aromatic leaves, which are commonly used as a culinary herb in various cuisines around the world. The leaves of the bay tree have a slightly bitter and spicy flavor that can add depth and complexity to soups, stews, sauces, and other dishes. In addition to its culinary uses, the bay tree also holds cultural and symbolic significance. For example, in ancient Greece and Rome, bay leaves were used to make wreaths for victorious athletes and scholars, symbolizing honor and achievement.